Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 80s vinyl is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after formats for music enthusiasts, transporting listeners back to a decade of vibrant sounds and unforgettable artists. These records offer a tangible connection to the past, with their large artwork and the unique warmth of analog audio, making them a cherished item for collectors and casual listeners alike who appreciate the authentic listening experience that defined an era. Owning a piece of 80s vinyl isn't just about the music, it's about preserving a cultural moment and enjoying a sound quality that digital formats often struggle to replicate, providing a nostalgic journey with every spin. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. It's designed to keep your cherished vinyl collection sounding its best. This comprehensive kit ensures your records are always ready for playback. Effortlessly eliminate dust, dirt, and fingerprints with our anti-static velvet brush and cleaning solution. This ensures your favorite vinyl records play smoothly and maintain optimal sound quality. Protect your vinyl collection's longevity and performance with the included stylus brush. It removes particles from your record player's needle, preventing any degradation in sound. This versatile kit includes everything you need: an ultra-soft velvet brush, cleaning liquid, a stylus brush, and a convenient storage pouch. Keep your records in pristine condition wherever you go. Our soft velvet brush is designed to clean your precious vinyl without leaving scratches. You can even use it to safely clean other delicate surfaces like your phone or screens. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining your vinyl. It includes everything you need to keep your records and stylus in top condition. If you're looking for an all-in-one package to ensure your records sound their best, this is a great choice. What people say. Left my record spotless, left no residue, easy to use, and took so much gunk off of my older vinyls. The tools are easy to use and make a noticeable difference in sound quality. Cleans well, dries quickly, and my records sound new. Like they were just pressed from factory. Number 4. EVEO Vinyl Record Sleeves Outer. Keep your precious vinyl records safe and sound. Our sleeves offer superior protection against dirt, dust, and scratches, ensuring your collection stays in top condition. Say goodbye to static electricity. These sleeves are designed with anti-static technology to repel dust and prevent damage, preserving your records for years to come. Enjoy crystal clear visibility with our extra thick, 3mm sleeves. They provide robust protection against moisture and tears while allowing you to easily view and organize your albums. Protect not just the records, but the artwork too. Our acid-free sleeves prevent discoloration of album covers, keeping your entire collection looking pristine. Designed for single, double, and gatefold LPs, these sleeves offer a perfect fit. Store and preserve your cherished albums with confidence. Elevate your vinyl storage experience. These archival quality sleeves are made from premium materials to ensure long-lasting protection and preservation for your valuable collection. What we like. These sleeves provide superior protection for your valuable vinyl collection. Their clarity allows you to admire your album art while keeping them safe from damage. If you want to preserve your records and display them beautifully, these are the sleeves for you. What people say. The vinyl quality is excellent, providing a crisp and clear sound that truly captures the essence of 80s music. The album artwork is faithfully reproduced, bringing back nostalgic memories with its vibrant colors and detailed design. This collection features a fantastic selection of iconic 80s hits, making it a perfect addition for any fan of the era. Number 3. Big Fudge Professional Series Vinyl Record Cleaner Kit. For passionate vinyl fans, Big Fudge offers a professional solution. We understand that only the best will do for your cherished collection. This kit provides everything you need to clean your records. Remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints with the anti-static brush and cleaning spray, and keep your stylus pristine with the included brush. Our extra-large 50 ml cleaning fluid bottle ensures you have plenty for continuous care. Keep your cleaning kit stocked and ready for use. Maintaining your stylus is now simpler than ever. Our gel or brush easily lifts dust, ensuring optimal performance and extending the life of your records. Keep your record cleaning essentials protected in the padded storage case. It's perfect for home use or taking your music to your next DJ gig. What we like. This is a professional-grade cleaning kit designed for serious collectors. It includes a specialized stylus cleaner for optimal needle care. If you demand the highest quality for your vinyl and want a kit that's both effective and portable, consider this option. What people say. The brush in this set works perfectly to alleviate that and any debris that may be hanging onto the vinyl. The spray isn't something I use often, but for old records it can really work out gunk built up in the grooves. The real lifesaver is the needle cleaning gel, which safely and securely removes pretty much anything that gets stuck on the needle without damaging the needle itself or your records. The brush and cleaning solution work like a charm, sweeping away every speck of dust, fingerprints, and invisible sins your records may carry. Not only will your vinyl sound crisp and flawless, but you'll also avoid the embarrassment of someone saying, "Oh, you actually play these?" Number 2. Bohemian Rhapsody. Experience the legendary Bohemian Rhapsody. This iconic song is a journey through sound and emotion. It's a true masterpiece that continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Dive into the epic saga of Bohemian Rhapsody. Its unique structure and powerful vocals tell a story like no other. Prepare to be moved by its sheer brilliance. Discover why Bohemian Rhapsody is more than just a song. It's a cultural phenomenon that redefined musical boundaries. Its complex arrangement and emotional depth are unparalleled. Relive the unforgettable magic of Bohemian Rhapsody. This groundbreaking track showcases incredible vocal harmonies and a dramatic narrative. It remains a testament to musical innovation. Explore the legacy of sound that is Bohemian Rhapsody. Its enduring appeal lies in its ambitious scope and artistic integrity. This is a piece of music history you won't want to miss. What we like. This album is a legendary masterpiece from one of rock's greatest bands. It features groundbreaking production and unforgettable anthems. If you're a fan of classic rock and iconic music, this record is an essential addition to any collection. What people say. The vinyl sounds amazing, clear and crisp with no surface noise. The album artwork is beautifully reproduced, a real treat for the eyes. This pressing includes bonus tracks not found on other versions. Number 1. 80s Rock Down. Get ready to travel back in time with the ultimate 80s rock experience. This collection brings you the biggest hits from the decade of decadence. Relive the era of big hair and electric guitars. We've curated the most iconic anthems that defined the generation. Experience the raw energy and unforgettable performances that made 80s rock legendary. These tracks are guaranteed to get you moving. Embark on a sonic journey through the diverse sounds of 80s rock. From power ballads to stadium anthems, it's all here. Rediscover the music that shaped your youth. Feel the nostalgia wash over you with every powerful riff and soaring vocal. This is the definitive collection for any true rock fan. Immerse yourself in the sounds that continue to inspire. What we like. This compilation brings together some of the biggest rock hits of the 1980s. It's a fantastic way to experience the decade's defining sound. If you love 80s rock and want a collection of energetic tracks, this is the perfect album for you. What people say. Nice selection of 80s rock from the hair bands to the love songs. Classic music. If you want some vinyl sound without rummaging through 20 records, this is a great offering. Automa Coletania, com musicas incríveis, discos com excellent qualidade sonora. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.